The U.S. Food and Drug Administration is expected to grant emergency use authorization to Johnson & Johnson's single-dose COVID-19 vaccine this week, a move that would ease the nationwide supply constraints and bring America one step closer to combating the coronavirus pandemic. Data suggests the vaccine, made by Johnson & Johnson's Janssen Pharmaceutical companies, is safe and effective, especially at preventing severe disease, scientists and medical experts say. The company reports an overall efficacy rate of 66% in preventing moderate to severe cases of the disease caused by the virus. It also reported being 85% effective overall in preventing severe disease and 100% effective in preventing COVID-19 related hospitalization and death. Here's a roundup of frequently asked questions and answers as Johnson & Johnson's vaccine reaches Marylanders. If I'm offered a Johnson & Johnson vaccine, should I take it, or wait for a more effective one? There is wide agreement among public health and medical professionals that people should not hesitate to take Johnson & Johnson's vaccine in favor of other COVID-19 immunizations. It's terrific to have a third vaccine with clear evidence that benefits exceed the risks, said Dr. Joshua M. Sharfstein, a vice dean in the Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health and a former FDA deputy commissioner. The use of this vaccine should accelerate the progress against COVID-19. The latest vaccine offers a high level of protection after just one dose, while Pfizer, BioNTech's and Moderna's products call for 2 doses. Johnson & Johnson's vaccine can also last up to 3 months in the refrigerator, whereas the other vaccines must be stored at very cold temperatures. That could potentially make it easier to access and administer, especially in rural areas without freezer capacity. Dr. Anna P. Durbin, a professor of international health at the Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health, said people should not dwell on which vaccine to get, and that it's difficult to compare the vaccines, which were tested in different places and reported their data differently. Johnson & Johnson, for example, factored in some of the new, more contagious virus variants into its study, including the one first discovered in South Africa, which the Pfizer and Moderna trials did not originally include. It also studied more non-U.S. citizens than the other 2 candidates, and measured efficacy at different points in the study. It's like comparing apples and oranges, Durbin said. What I would recommend is take whatever vaccine you can get. Don't quibble over which one it is. Take whichever is available. Efficacy numbers are not the whole story. We're really looking for prevention of severe disease, hospitalization and death. All of these vaccines are excellent at that.